Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to start with the practicals. The first practical, that is the volumetric analysis. Here the volumetric analysis is the analysis which is performed for to know the molarity of the particular compound. If we are having the standard solution, means in the volumetric analysis we are having the two compounds. One is of known molarity and another is of unknown molarity, and the purpose of this volumetric analysis is to know the molarity of the particular compound. See, the volumetric analysis, this is of the 12th standard practical. This is in the quantitative analysis. Here the aim it is given the determination of molarity of KMnO4 solution by titrating it against the standard solution of oxalic acid. Means here we are using the two chemicals, one is oxalic acid and one is KMnO4, right? The purpose of this KMnO4 in the particular practical is this KMnO4 is acts as the oxidizing agent in the analysis. The part first is to prepare 250 ml of M10 solution of oxalic acid. Means simply to prepare the standard solution of oxalic acid. See the theory, molecular weight of oxalic acid is 126, right? How you can calculate this 126 is the number. Simply here the formula it is given for this oxalic acid is H2C2O4 dot twice H2O, right? For this hydrogen we are considering 1, that is 1 into 2. For hydrogen we are taking 1, for carbon we are taking 6, for oxygen we are taking 16, right? And by calculating the total number of elements, particular elements, and that summation, we are getting the 126 number, right? Here 126 gram of oxalic acid in 1000 ml of distilled water, they are forming the solution which is known as the 1 molar solution, right? Here again the molar means what? The molarity of the solution means what? The definition is the total number of moles of solute per liter of the solution. Means whenever we are taking the 1 liter of solution and the number of moles of the particular solute in that particular 1 liter solution, that number of moles are known as the molarity of that particular solution. So here you can say 126 gram in 1000 ml will give you 1 molar solution, right, of oxalic acid. So you can say 12.6 gram of oxalic acid in 1000 ml distilled water, we are having the molarity of the solution is 0.1, right? So we are taking for this practical 3.15 gram oxalic acid in 250 ml of distilled water, then we are getting the molarity as 0.1, right? This is the standard solution we are going to use in the respective practical. See which apparatus will need for this practical, simply the analytical or the electrical balance, 250 ml of beaker, glass rod, 250 ml measuring flask, and the chemicals required are the oxalic acid, crystals and distilled water, right? These chemicals we are going to use. See the procedure for the particular preparation of the standard solution is, first is take a wash glass, wash it with distilled water and then dry it. Weigh the clean and dried wash glass accurately and record its weight in the notebook. See here, instead of the wash glass, we can use the paper strip also. Make the paper strip board so that your crystals will not spread, right? Here this is the electrical weighing box, right? Here you have to set this as 0 and put this board on this balance. Again make the 0. Simply this is the oxalic acid crystals, right? You are using the fine crystals of oxalic acid and take 3.15 gram of this oxalic acid crystals here, and the next step is take some water into the beaker. See, this is the 250 ml beaker, this is 250 ml measuring cylinder, here it is written, and this is again the measuring cylinder. Take a small quantity of the water, distilled water, into the beaker and add this oxalic acid amount into this beaker and continually stir the solution so that you will get the clear solution. See, if you can observe in this beaker, here no crystals are remain in the beaker. Stir it, shake it so that you will get the clear solution of this oxalic acid. Okay. After dissolving all the crystals, you will add 250 ml of water into this beaker. But see here, the condition is whenever you are dissolving a particular solution into the water, if it is not soluble into the water, then you have to provide smallest amount of heat to this solution so that you will get the clear solution, right? Now take this measuring cylinder which is of 250 ml. Here it is written 250 ml. Add this all the amount into the measuring cylinder and distill it to 250 ml. Right? Add water. This is your 250 ml. Right? Here it is the mark, it is given of 250 ml of water. Right? Here the first part of the volumetric analysis is over to prepare the standard solution of oxalic acid. Right? Here you can use the crystal publication book also, or other books publication also you can use. The procedure it is same in the all books. Okay. In the next video we are going to start the volumetric analysis. Thank you.